My dear friends, though we have discussed about the support of 4500 many times in our previous videos, but to be honest, I was not expecting market to test 4500 yesterday. So yesterday we discussed about the liquidity sweep around this particular area that we got. Okay, and once I guess we discussed about support around 4500. Okay, if you have been watching my videos, then hope you made good money around the support zone as well, because this green box is there on the chart for quite some time. Anyways, we can see that sellers are still trying to dominate the market here. And if you have been holding sell position, okay, you can hold your sell position. But yes, things are still not very clear. If you are in touch with the news, you must know that situation has escalated again in the Strait of Hormuz. So please stay in touch with the news. Any escalation or further escalation will obviously have a direct impact on gold and the equity market. So please be careful, and yes, please stay in touch with the news. Okay, now let's discuss about the trading opportunities. So if you look at the hourly chart of gold like this, you can clearly see, my dear friends, that the sellers are dominating, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, but here we need to keep in mind that market is right now trading around 4500. See, unlike other round numbers, 4500, okay, is a stronger psychological level. So obviously gold needs good amount of selling pressure to break 4500 and move further. Okay, so in the European session or US session, if market drops with a big red candle just like yesterday, then only take a sell position below the level. Otherwise, there's a high chance that market will just go for some liquidity sweep and come up. Liquidity sweep has become very common these days, okay, and we cannot deny it. So what is the support zone here? Listen to me carefully. The support zone, the exact support zone is 45002 to 4483. Okay. So if you see the market is going down with a big red candle, okay, then you can look for a sell position below 4483. If you want, okay, to take some risk, or if you can afford to take risk, you can also look for a sell below 4500 as well. So it all depends on the volume right now. If you see the market is going down with small candles, then it's better to wait for the market to break 4483, because market will be coming up again and you may be trapped. So volume or the size of the candle is going to decide everything. And yes, buyers around 4500 are not going to surrender that easily. So please be careful, okay, with your position at sell position, okay, below the support level. So the support zone is also a big one, can't help it, 4500 to 4483. Okay, so if you want to take risk, you can go for a sell below 4500. But if you're looking for confirmation, then it's better to sell below 4483, and size of the candle is going to be everything here. Okay, now this is the support zone. Okay, so for gold to be bullish again, okay, those who are expecting gold to be bullish again, okay, you need to understand that for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 4650, this particular level here. If gold will break 4650, then only the structure of the market will change. So until unless gold is trading below 4650, you can expect the dominance of the sellers. Okay, until unless market is trading below 4650, okay, it will be better for us to look for sell positions as of now. Okay, because tomorrow I may be saying a different thing again, because we are day traders, we need to be flexible. If yesterday you were talking or thinking about buy, if the market has changed, you need to think about sell today. Flexibility is extremely important for the survival of a trader. Many people do not understand it. Okay, so this is the level gold needs to cross to be bullish again. So if gold tries to go up, as a day trader, we can look for sell around two levels for the day. The first level is 4600. Okay, this level is our best shot here to look for a sell position. Why 4600 is a sell opportunity for us? Because see, it is a round number against psychological resistance, and the previous support will also be acting as resistance. So during the day, my dear friends, if market shows price rejection from above, if you see some reversal confirmation, then we can look for a sell around 4600. Okay, 4650 is the most important level here, but 4600 is also a trading opportunity for traders like us. Okay. And my dear friends, okay, if you see the market is very slow, market is dull, then as a day trader, especially before US session, you can also look for a sell around 4575. Okay, 4575 is a weak level, but if volume is low, then as a day trader, we can look for a sell around 4575 as well. So on the chart of gold, we have three trading opportunities if market goes up. 4575 before US session if market shows price rejection from above, 4600 and 4650. 4650 is going to be very crucial. I feel that there can be some SL hunting around 4650. After liquidity sweep, when market will be coming down, we can look for a sell below 4650. Okay, so right now, if you're wondering what is the trend of the market here, you can clearly see on the chart the trend of the market. Okay, on the chart, on the hourly chart, okay, it seems to be sideways, but yes, we cannot deny the fact that there was good amount of selling pressure yesterday. So there is a good chance that market may go down. And overall, okay, I will say that okay, there is a bias, okay, for of the sellers here. So if gold goes down also, do not be surprised, because on the chart we can clearly see that sellers are trying to push the market down. And if market tries to recover, it needs to cross 4650, then only there will be a structural change. Before that, if market gives us opportunity, we can look for a sell around 4575, 4600. As I have already mentioned on the group also, keep in mind that these are zones in a market, not exact levels. Okay, so when you'll see the market has entered 4574, 4576, okay, observe the market. Okay, if you feel you should go for a sell, you can go for a sell. Follow proper risk management. That is the most important thing here. And my dear friends, if you're from India and you are facing deposit issues with any broker right now, you need to understand that the problem is not with any particular broker here. The problem is in the process. Because forex trading or gold trading, whatever name it, okay, CFD trading overall, okay, is not legal in India. As a result of which, all the brokers are facing issues. So in this time, okay, you need to stick to a good broker. I am not saying that if you switch to Vantage, okay, you will never face the problem. It is not like that, because you need to understand the whole process here. Okay, see, when OctaFX came to India, okay, it made popular the forex trading. Okay, I get it. Okay, then came XNES. So 2020, 2021, okay, that was the golden period, because the forex brokers were using the loophole, and there were instant deposit and withdrawals, and RBI could not do anything. Reserve Bank of India, Government of India could not do anything. They knew it, that the brokers are using the loophole, but still they could not do anything. But you need to understand that the technology is changing. Government is also getting smart, and after AI, artificial intelligence, okay, things have changed drastically. Nowadays, banks in India can easily detect the accounts from which, okay, they are sending random payments. The bank accounts, they can easily detect that are receiving random payments from across the country. So it becomes easier for banks and Government of India, Reserve Bank of India, to close this account, to seize these accounts. As a result, the net banking or UPI, okay, it used to be very smooth, okay, and are not the same again. सो वो ज़माना चला गया जब बहुत स्मूथ काम करता था, और अभी ये काम करने वाला नहीं है. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज AI हैज़ चेंज द गेम. Okay, because the forex brokers nowadays are losing a big amount of money, because government can easily detect their accounts and they seize it. Okay, as a result, okay, sometimes the UPI or net banking is not available for the Indians for deposit and withdrawal. Okay, so if you are looking for the perfect broker, okay, where you'll not face any problem, अगर आप को तलाश है perfect broker की, there is none, because the problem is with the process. So if you really want to avoid the problem, and you are looking for a smooth process, okay, to be honest, there are only two ways. Okay, either you leave the country, आपको देश छोड़ना पड़ेगा, okay, or you switch to USDT. Okay, and if you switch to USDT also, okay, try to avoid Binance because there are other complications that I do not want to discuss here. Okay, so if you want to be stay in India and trade forex in India smoothly, okay, you need to trade. Uh, you need to deposit through USDT and take withdrawal in USDT, and after that you can engage through your private network. Okay, you need to search it. Okay, that is the only solution. And if you're planning to deposit through UPI net banking and you're planning to continue like this, then I will suggest you to use a different bank account because things are going to be hard in the coming days. And lastly, I would like to add one more thing here that locally there are lots of brokers available which are not regulated or they are Tier 3 license regulated, especially in Indian states like Gujarat, Maharashtra. You will find lots of local brokers with an office in Dubai, and just for the sake they have taken a license from a Tier 3, Tier 4 body. ओके, ऐसे ब्रोकर्स से आपको बचना है. उनको भी पता है द ब्रोकर्स ऑल्सो आर वेरी स्मार्ट. दे ऑल्सो नो इट कि क्लाइंट्स आर लुकिंग फॉर रेगुलेशन दिस. सो बस बातों के वास्ते ओके दिखाने के लिए रेगुलेशन ले लेते, लेकिन वो रेगुलेशन कुछ काम का नहीं है. ओके, सो if you're looking for a good broker also, okay, you should be looking for a tier 1 licensed broker. Okay, so choosing the right broker is also very important here. And as I said, okay, the problem is not with the broker. Okay, the problem is with the process, UPI नेट बैंकिंग. एंड ऑब्वियसली आने वाले दिनों में ये और टफ होने वाला बिकॉज जो गवर्नमेंट्स विल बी टेकिंग मोर ड्रास्टिक स्टेप्स. ओके, एंड काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. देखिए, मैं बहुत खुल के तो नहीं बता सकता. ओके ये ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म है, सो बी केयरफुल. ओके, सो होपफुली आपको जवाब मिला होगा. ओके, इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो फेसिंग डिपॉजिट इश्यूज विथ एनी ब्रोकर राइट नाउ.